which at that time our confidence level is already growing up. Okay, so this is 12 days story series. In this series there are 12 story related based on 12 tenses. जैसा कि हम सबको पता है कि 12 टेंस होते हैं और उन पे बेस्ड 12 स्टोरीज़ हैं. हर टेंस से बेस्ड एक स्टोरी होगी जिसके थ्रू हम इंग्लिश सीखेंगे. इसमें इसके क्या प्रॉफिट है? इसमें ये प्रॉफिट है कि देखिए, आप स्टोरी के थ्रू आप ग्रामर भी क्लियर कर लोगे, टेंसेस स्ट्रक्चर भी आपके क्लियर हो जाएंगे, और आपके स्टोरी के थ्रू जब आप चीज़ें सीखते हो ना, तो वो आपको पता नहीं चलती कि आप ग्रामर भी सीख रहे हो और इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग भी सीख रहे हो. तो आपकी प्रैक्टिस प्लस ग्रामर प्रैक्टिस दोनों हो जाएगी, और बिना किसी बर्डन के, बिना किसी लोड के कि भाई हमें ग्रामर पढ़ना है. तो ये बहुत अच्छा, क्योंकि एक ट्रांसलेशन और ग्रामर के थ्रू मैंने तो बहुत अच्छी इंग्लिश बोलनी सीख ली थी. अब आपकी बारी है, तो चलिए देखते हैं ये आपके ऊपर कितना काम करता है. So if you really want to speak English, if you are beginner, if you are from Hindi medium, so this is really absolutely right place where you can learn and speak English very easiest way. Okay, so let's start friends. तो आज की स्टोरी हमारी है सिंपल प्रेजेंट के बेस्ड पर. ये स्टोरी दिस इज अ स्टोरी अबाउट अ बॉय. इट्स अ रियल स्टोरी. यस ऑफ कोर्स, ये कोई फेक स्टोरी या चैट जीपीटी से डाउनलोड की गई स्टोरी नहीं है. इट्स रियली इट्स मतलब ये रियल लाइफ बेस्ड पर ही स्टोरी है. एंड आई होप इस स्टोरी के थ्रू, जो ये कहानी है, इसके थ्रू भी हम बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ सीख सकते हैं, अपने आप को मोटिवेट रख सकते हैं कि कैसे लोग विपरीत परिस्थितियों में भी अपने आप को बिल्कुल स्टैंड रखते हैं और मोटिवेट रखते हैं, कैसे वो प्रॉब्लम्स का मतलब प्रॉब्लम्स को फेस करते हैं और खुद कुछ अचीव कर पाते हैं. ऐसे लोग दुनिया में बहुत ही कम होते हैं, पर जो होते हैं वो बहुत बेमिसाल होते हैं. इसी तरह एक स्टोरी है. चलिए हम आज की स्टोरी शुरू करते हैं. लिव. नाउ लाइफ फील्स हैवी. Every day feels like a struggle. Now this difficult time, his grandparents stand like a support. They takes care of the family. They manage the expenses somehow. The boy sees everything. He feels pain, but he stays silent. He does not complain anyone. He does not give up. He continue his study. He study harder than earlier. He fights with his situation. He fights with his emotions. He passes his 12th class in good marks. After that, he leaves his home. He goes to another city. He lives there alone. Sometimes he feels lonely. Sometimes he feels broken. But still he never gives up. He studies, he learns, and he grows. And also he plays a football. When he plays football, he forgets everything, his pain and the situation of his life. He finds peace in a game. Time passes. He gets a good private job. He works sincerely. He gives his best every day, every time. One day, his boss observes him. His struggle. He understands everything. His boss is really very good boss. He suggests him that you should do something. You are good. You are intelligent. You have a special something. You must try for government examination. After that, if you don't succeed, you come and join me. He listens carefully and he takes a bold decision. Now he resigns and comes to his house. Now every morning he takes lunch and leave house. He goes to library and studies whole day there. Hours passes, but he does not stop. At night, he returns home tired but satisfied. The routine continues every day. Meanwhile, his father's condition becomes worse. He drinks every day. Sometimes he falls on the road. Sometimes he goes anywhere, like their relatives, and relatives also avoids them. So the boy sees everything, his father's condition. His heart breaks, but he controls his emotions. He always reminds himself that he has to change his condition, his family condition, and his study continues. He study harder and become stronger. Days turn into months, months turn into days, and finally one day his hard work pays off. He clears his exam. and he become a very high government officer. That day changes everything. Now the whole villager come and appreciate. They proud of him, and of course, why not? He looks like him a he. They look like him a hero, and of course, why not? He become one, because this is not a story about success. This is a story about pain, struggle, and courage. This is a story about never giving up. So see friends, have you seen that how the boy, he struggled a lot, but still he consistent. He continue his study. He motivate himself, and finally he become something. He achieved something, and now his family condition is really very good, as we know very well, क्योंकि उसे इतनी अच्छी पोस्ट ही मिल गई. And first of all, जैसे कि मैंने कहा था, it's a real life story. I know that boy, and so आई होप कि आपको इस स्टोरी से कुछ ना कुछ सीखने या समझने को जरूर मिला हो. सो फ्रेंड्स, इफ यू फाइंड दिस वीडियो हेल्पफुल, प्लीज डोंट फॉरगेट सब्सक्राइब, लाइक एंड डोंट फॉरगेट कमेंट. अगर आप चाहते हैं कि मैं ये 12 दिन की सीरीज को कंटिन्यू करूं, आपको इससे हेल्प मिल रही है, तो प्लीज मुझे कमेंट करके जरूर बताइए. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग. देयर इज अ बॉय हु लिव्स विद हिज फैमिली हैप्पीली. ही स्टडीज इन अ रियली वेरी गुड CBSE school. He wears a good and clean clothes and uniform. Carries big dreams in his eyes. His family lives happily with him. His father runs a successful business, but they have everything like a good house, a car, and enough money, and a confident and comfortable life. Everything feels perfect. Everything looks like a dream. But life does not stay at the same. One day, his father falls into a bad company. He starts drinking. After some time, at first, everything looks like a normal. But after some time,